Hello everybody, welcome to this Nila review. Today I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about Nila. As always, if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. I will also be leaving a discount link so that you can always get your money's worth for Nila. So Nila is a website with bots, social media posting, messaging and a lot more. So here we are on our main dashboard. We have our total subscribers, our bot enabled and a load of information that we need to know sort of all in one nice concise place, all the way from our e-commerce earnings to our campaign overviews to our calendar and stuff like that. We have all these other options down on the left hand side. We can hide the taskbar or show it, and then obviously our account on the top right. But we're going to go through each of these features and show you what we've got. So beginning with the dashboard, we have something that shows us all of the subscribers that we've got across Facebook, Instagram and e-commerce platforms. Any pages on Instagram that have bot enabled, things like on Facebook Messenger, and then how many earnings we've received in total through checkout, how much is pending and how many orders we've received. We also have a subscriber gain in the past 12 months or year. You have an email gain and a phone gain and a subscriber gain key. You also have the subscribers from different sources in the past year, so you can see any checkbox direct from Facebook, replies, chat plugins, messenger plugins, m.me links, e-commerce earnings for the past 30 days, so how much we're making from each platform, and then our campaign overview and our calendar. Under Facebook and Instagram integrations, this is where you can simply hit the login with Facebook button and you're able to connect both your Facebook and Instagram account to the platforms. But we're not going to do that. It's very, very simple. You hit this button and you simply log in. Under API channels, you have all of the options for the different social media that you can integrate it with, and therefore you can auto reply, you can auto post and stuff like that on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Blogger, Reddit, Google, WordPress, or your own WordPress. You also have auto email responders such as MailChimp, Sendinblue, Mautic, ActiveCampaign, and Acel. You have JSON API connectors, so as you can see, the messenger bot can then share collected data across platforms. So any data that you do collect, you can send it to your Facebook and Instagram and share with people. You have SMS integrations so that you can send people notifications to their mobile device, or using these options as you can see here. You also have integrations for email APIs and also e-commerce such as WooCommerce and obviously abandoned cart recovery and product import. So these are all different channels that you can include, basically allowing you to tailor it to your needs, send the right things to the right people, make sure that anybody with stuff in their cart, doesn't lose it, import products from other things, send messages out, everything that you really need to do in order to message. You can also at the top here sort by all the different categories such as the email autoresponder, JSON, SMS, email and WooCommerce at the top here, instead of having to scroll all the way down if that's something that you wanted to do. And you have the comment growth tools. Now when you integrate this with Facebook, what it allows you to do is automatically interact, as in like or reply to comments that people leave on your posts. All you would need to do is integrate it, and then there'll be some prompts up on your screen that allow you to do so, but you would need to log in with Facebook and allow that to happen. You're also able to manage all of your subscribers. What this allows you to do is when you found the page, you're able to import an account, and this allows you to do all different sorts of stuff with the people that are subscribed to your thing. You're able to switch between Instagram and Facebook at the top here, and obviously you need to import your page by hitting continue, and then you would need to connect your Facebook and Instagram in order to manage your subscribers. But once you've done that, you'll be able to view, edit, change what they receive, stuff that they receive to their email and text, all sorts of things like that. Under the live chat option, you're able to obviously connect your Facebook account again, and what this allows you to do is have a live chat so that people can communicate with you back and forth. So if they do need help with stuff or any sort of thing that they need to communicate with, you're able to get that feedback in here. It's also similar with Bot Manager, in which you're able to switch between your account and Instagram and Facebook, of course, and this allows you to edit the bots that you have set up on these individual platforms that interact with your customers, interact with your followers or subscribers, and you can edit all the settings for that to determine how they respond, what they do, everything like that, and all you would need to do is import the account that you wish the bot to be related to, and obviously link your Facebook account, and then once that's all done, it will obviously continue on with the page. Broadcasting is a little different. As you can see, you can set up all the different types of broadcasting via SMS, email, or Facebook Messenger. We have a subscriber broadcast here and an OTN subscriber broadcast, which is a one-time notification. So all you would need to do is obviously click on it, set it up. You've obviously got the SMS and email broadcasting at the bottom where you're able to send stuff, to specific contacts via SMS or email. You're able to use templates for the things that will be sent to those individual people. You're able to set up campaigns. You're able to create them. You're able to report them. Have a list of campaigns that you send out, so you can pick one and then send that one out instead of having to recreate it each time. You're able to have an opt-in form you can have, and also a sequence campaign that you're allowed to use for external contacts as well, which is basically a campaign, but it's sequentially sent out to an amount of people. On the e-commerce store, you're able to create your store itself. So all you would need to do is hit create, and once you've done that, you're able to set the page, your country, your logo, your favicon, your Facebook pixel ID, your Google Analytics ID to get you all the information about your e-commerce store, and then you would hit create store at the top. This will obviously bring you to the same one, and when you're done, you would hit create, and it would create your e-commerce store for you, at which point you can edit a few things. It's like what's on it and things like that. Then under social posting, you're able to set up the different posters for each of your social media. So under Facebook, we have the option to add a multimedia post. This allows you to post, as you can see, text, link, image, or video on a Facebook and Instagram completely automatically without having to do that. All you would need to do is when you hit on this, it will bring you to a page where you're able to create a new post. So with hitting this, you would have to log in, but what you're then able to do is view all of your posts in one place. You'll have the name of the post, the type of the campaign that you've got, the publisher, the type of post that it is, actions that you want to do, whether it's enabled or disabled at the time, so the status, when it's scheduled for, and any error messages that you've got. At the top right, you have the option to choose the date for this post, and there is the option for multimedia posting. You also have CTA posts. So this is a call to action post on Facebook automatically. Essentially, a post with a call to action button allowing people to click on it, and it will take them to a separate area that you've decided. This is something that basically when you hit on this, it will give you a very similar page with the list of them. You would hit create a new post, and this would create the poster to be then sent to your Facebook page. You also have a carousel post or a video post, so a post that has specific videos or linkages of photos that you would want added onto it so that people can view that, and then obviously live with pre-recorded video automatically. So you have a video that you've already created or edited, say, then you would upload that, and you'd be able to instantly live stream that to your Facebook page so people could watch a more higher production value than just a blatant live stream with no editing, no features, no videography at all. Then under social poster, you can create very similar things, but instead this is more based on text and images rather than videos and automation. You've got text posts, so you can post texts automatically on multiple social media. You have images posts, so you can post the images automatically, of course. Video posts, link posts, so links, of course. HTML, so any contents for a website or anything written in HTML, you can post that on social media websites as well. You have bulk post planners, so if you have a planner that you want to send out to people to see when things in your company are going on, events or something like that, you're able to post that via a CSV or a spreadsheet file. And then finally, you have auto post to post RSS, WordPress, or YouTube video feeds on multiple social media. So if a post is made on one of these three options at the bottom, it will notify people that that has happened. And then under search tools, you're able to look at, website comparisons, so social existency, share likes and comments in comparison to another site, and you're also able to search for hashtags as well. You can search top and recent media with a hashtag in Instagram so that you can view things that, related to the hashtags that you have on your social media page, and you can really boost your, your company, your engagement, and your overall presence on that social media. But apart from that, that is more or less it for Nila. So what do I think about Nila? And honestly, the answer to that question is very, very simple to answer. I really, really like it. I think that the amount of features that they've got is an excellent amount. They're not too overboard. There's not too many things that are incredibly niche. And websites like this can sometimes benefit from having niche, but at the same time, having things that are very, rare for people to use, it can make it quite complicated, stuff like that. And I think Nila keeps it really simple, but also has, all the features that an average to professional, intermediate user would need. And that's something that I really, really like about it. Obviously, you have to link your Facebook in order to use almost every single one of the features. That obviously makes sense. But the amount of things that they've got and the amount of integrations with API channels, stuff like that is absolutely brilliant. And I would definitely recommend Nila to anyone looking for automation for their Facebook, Instagram, or similar social media pages that it supports. But thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.